Hi, Ozzy.
How are you, dear Winona?
Good. How are you?
Yes, I'm alright, but I'm quite knackered because of working. Moreover, I was looking for you to speak about a little bit more, but I know we were supposed to have conversation yesterday, but unfortunately you fell into the sleep. It's okay. I got you now. Thank you.
How have you been?
Everything is okay, but nowadays I think you are watching my videos like related to the Israel and Palestine. What about you? How is going your days and times, content creation, everything?
It's been going really well. It's actually picking up. I'm starting to kind of get the hang of it, but I'm starting to kind of learn that it's going to be a process, but that's okay. But I've been working a lot, trying to balance everything.
Probably a couple of the days ago, I was told by you that Gazi, I'm getting little bit problem with my kids, like they are about to get kicked out from the schools, and at the same time you are busy with your work, totally messed up with those kind of things. So now okay, or you are still doing this on process?
Well, we had a meeting today about it, about my son's behavior. It went really well. He's been behaving so far, this week a lot better. But, I don't know. If anybody could pray for my son, he has autism, and it makes him misbehave. And I'm a single mom, so I have to work. And then, like, when he misbehaves and he gets kicked out of school, I have to take out of work to go get him.
No, no. That's really pathetic, Really.
It's hard, seriously.
So
it really is hard.
But what actually your son did that's why they are going to kick them out?
He runs away, and like when I say runs away, one time he ran away and like I found him in a pond.
Oh my
Sometimes
God.
he hits, yes, and sometimes he hits other kids and just things like that.
Intentionally your kid did this, or just he is suffering from autism, that's why
The autism.
okay, but in this case
it makes them do strange things,
Okay, I understand, but in this case, especially for your kids, authority of the school should think about this matter as he is suffering from autism. Why they are willing to kick him out? That would be completely unfair.
You're so right. You're right. It would be unfair.
Exactly, but look.
But hopefully.
Okay, go ahead. I listen to you.
Well, I was actually thinking about, I work in healthcare, doing computers, so that I can be at home more since he's misbehaving so much in school.
Look, you are speaking with your Gazi, but your face aspect of your face is completely weird, like you are in deep thoughts, and really that makes me really so much broken heart.
It's been a lot. I've just been trying to take it one day at a time. Today we had the meeting and the meeting went well. All I'm trying to do now is finish up a certification, and I think I'm going to start going to work for something on the computer. That way I can be at home, and that's kind of all I can do for now.
From the point of view, I think if your kid in school really kicks him out, definitely that would be rude. Really?
Of course.
Rude. Because regarding of this autism, they should really be relent.
Just pray for my son.
Sure.
But that's kind of some things I've been dealing with.
Okay. How old?
Yes.
How old your kid?
5.
5. Oh my God. Now, okay, listen to me. First, he is still very young, like 5 years old. At the same time, the kid is suffering from autism. The two different things are really considerable. You know why? Why they are willing to kick him out? It's really endless, to be honest.
Because businesses are motivated by money.
Oh my God, what's a human being? Where's your humanity? Where's your humanity?
Thank you for your kind words, Ghazi. It means a lot.
Yeah, definitely. I want to be meant a lot for you, especially because you spoke with me and you are speaking also with me. I think we will be speaking together also. Being so close, not only speaking, but also we want to be helpful for each other.
Yes.
Okay. Have a good night.
Bye, Ghazi.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Thank you. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Malakum.
Warahmatullah. That's so cool. It's enough, big enough. Okay.